Yes, maraming salamat po sa oras nyo. Muli, tulungan niyo po kami na maipakalat itong ilang eksenang napanood nyo para po mas maraming manood at maraming matuto sa teleseryeng ito.
Thanks, Kuya Mon. Let's start with Baron, please. Invite familiar faces today. Di ba kasama natin for supporting our...
Thank you everyone for, for being here. Enjoy the show. August 28th. God bless folks. Thanks.
Alright, thank you. And of course, Angel Aquino. Not adult, mga seasons muna tayo.
Thank you very much again for your time. And ito, same makers, same writers ng Dirty Linen. So, makakasigurado ako na you will enjoy it as much or probably even more. Kasi ito talaga mas relevant. Kung medyo throwback ang Dirty Linen, this is what's happening in the present and to our children. So, please help us talk about this.
Thank you po. Tulungan niyo kami ihatid from Dirty Linen to senior high sa 20. And of course, a lady we all love, Sylvia Sanchez.
Mga magulang karamihan nagsasabi kilala namin ang mga anak namin. Pero ang katotohanan, hindi po. Yun po ang salita po na to, kilala mo ba talaga ang anak mo? Yun ang gusto namin ipahatid sa lahat ng mga tao na manonood nito. And please help us na maparating sa kanila yun. Ang salitang, kilala nyo ba talaga ang anak nyo?
Just the original copy, direct, no? Bumalik sa akin yung original copy ng kilala mo ba talaga ang anak mo? Like what, kung hindi mo kasama. Thank you, Yang, for reminding us with that copy. Tawa naman itong si Juan Carlos. Tawa ka ng tawa. Ang saya-saya mo today. Nakita mo ako, ang saya ka, no? Go ahead na.
Nakatawa ako ng asap kanina. Nostalgic lang.
I know. Asap stage.
Yeah, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. And gusto ko rin po salamat din ulit sa Dreamscape ABS for all of the love. And sa lahat ng mga... And for giving me the chance to be able to work with these amazing people as well. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta at nagbigay ng oras. Yun, sana magustuhan po ninyo ang aming ginagawa. Para po ito sa ating bayan.
Wow, thank you. Elijah. First mo with us, no? Teleserye.
Teleserye, yes. So, salamat po sa inyo lahat for being here. Nice to see a lot of familiar faces and salamat sa Dreamscape.
Ito yung sumusuporta sa mga projects mo. Kaya we personally picked these names. Kasi di ba familiar ka sa lahat sa kanila?
Thank you po talaga. And thank you din sa buong team kasi wala tong show na to kung wala sila lahat. Ang daming wala dito. And sana po tulungan nyo kaming i-promote yung show, i-promote yung message ng show, and let's all keep being kind to each other.
Oh, thank you, Elijah. Kaya.
Yun.
Without accent ha, walang accent.
Ayun, maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for giving your time to our show. Sobrang excited po ako na makita po ng mga netizens kung ano po yung totoong message po namin at bakit namin ginagawa to. It's not just for an entertainment purpose, but we have a purpose with the show, and that's to show families all over the world, di lang mga Pinoy, pero all over the world that our generation is also going through things that you don't know about. So,
Siyempre, thank you for always trusting your Dreamscape family with your projects.
Opo, parang bakit po talaga ako sa Dreamscape.
We appreciate
Thank you so much po.
Another baby of Dreamscape, Blythe.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta at sa pagnood. At ngayon na napanood nyo na po yung 2 episodes. Sana po panoodin nyo pa rin. Of course, next week po ito. August 28 po. Ito, 9:30 PM po. At sana po nagustuhan nyo talaga at tulungan nyo din kami to spread awareness po. Maraming salamat.
Okay, and with that words from our main cast, we'd like to request everyone please rise for our group para supportahan nyo na tayo sa August 28 sa ating launch.
Ayun, thank you po for coming.
Shala! Tayo!
Ayun po.
Oo naman. Kasi alas 6 pa po sila andito, nag-asap kami.
Thank you po, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, Jella. Huwag ka magkapaniwala dyan, Jella. Seriously na, nakaiyak. It's okay, basta lang, may relay nyo lang yung pasasalamat sa kanila.
For the vibes.
Oo.
Thank
Parang
you.
Rhea audio dyan ang sister mo nagtitaping.
Oh. Thank you everyone for making time to be here, and we hope that you enjoyed what you saw, and sana na-hope kayo, and sana gusto nyo pa rin mapanood even after what you saw. Yeah. Can't wait to give even more and show you what we all have in store for you.
Okay. Thank you, Jella. Miggy, please thank everyone for coming. Sorry, you'll get by. Of course, syempre. We're here for you, di ba, guys? We're here for you.
Dang, wala namang, nanahimik ako dito.
Yes, you know, you have a family, you have the whole media supporting your pinagkadaanan.
Bro, we got your back.
Oh, yun, that's it.
So, pero yung maraming salamat. I appreciate you guys. And
Wow.
magkita-kita po tayo sa TV. Yes. Maraming salamat.
It's a big event, di ba?
Yes.
Daniela.
27.
Alright.
Thank you all for coming. Hope you guys can support us, and good night.
Thank you.
Thank you po ulit for spending your afternoon with us, for watching. Excited na rin kami. Ingit nga kami na napanood yun na, honestly. But, yun nga po, Senior High on August 28, 9:30 p.m. po yan. Please help us promote the show, promote the message of the show, and let's all keep being kind to each other.
Yep, thank you. And of course, Cyril here. Cyril na.
And maraming po salamat sa pakikinig, and sana may nakuha po kayo sa mga sagot namin kahit sobrang energetic namin. Sana hindi po namin kayo na-disappoint, and sana hindi rin po kayo na-disappoint sa hard work na pinagsama-sama po ng production and naming mga cast. Sana po na-enjoy po ninyo, and sana mas lalo po kayo maging interesado. Love you po.
Thank you,
so much.
Sai. Zijan.
Parang sinabi na nila lahat. Ayun, maraming salamat sa pagsama po sa amin dito. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa sa aming mga kalokohan, at sana panood po ninyo. Sana supportahan nyo kami. August 20, Senior High.
Mukhang naka-in-character si Zijan po the whole time. Thank you. Juan Carlos.
Po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta, at ayun po, maraming salamat po ulit sa atin. Kasi pumunta rin tayo.
Tapos sa'yo po sa namata mo sarili.
I just want to acknowledge the efforts of my company. And
We love the energy and saya
yeah,
na.
love you all. Good night.
Thank you, JK. Juan Carlos. Kyle.
Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Sorry po talaga, medyo na-energetic lang po kami bigla. Sana may respeto pa rin po kayo sa Senior High. We are serious actors po.
We all know that.
We just know how to have fun. So, thank you. Hope you guys also enjoyed the interview. Sana po may nakuha naman po kayong maayos.
Kung wala po, sorry.
Opo.
Aww.
Pero, yun po, sana po, enjoy niyo po ang Senior High. August 28 na po yan.
Alright, thank you. And of course, like.
Sorry po. Pero yun, thank you. Okay, serious mode po.
Pag sinabing action, seryoso.
Sabi dito, action.
Parang hindi.
Guys, thank you so much po sa mga pumunta. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo din. Thank you for the time. At ayun, kita nyo naman po, we're all just, kids pa rin po, having fun. Pero may work, pero responsibility pa rin po ito. And sana po may natutunan din kayo, may nakuha kayo sa Senior High.
Wala, charot.
Wala kayo. Ngayon, makita nyo kami medyo parang pero ayan po, sana napanood yun na, at kung nahook po kayo, sana subaybayan nyo pa rin. If curious pa po kayo sa mga topics na itatakal pa po namin, kasi the story is still about to unfold pa po. So, it's in developing pa lang. And yun po, alam ko masaya, pero please please help us to spread awareness din po. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. And in behalf of my Dreamscape family, the unit of Eric Salud with Miss Piggy Soldao, Miss Pini, and of course Miss Minnie Espiritu, and the rest of the production.